Today, I'm going to show you how to activate the cruise control buttons using FORScan on a 2015 Ford S-Max. The cruise control buttons have been installed, but they also need to be properly enabled in the vehicle's software. In this case, we'll use FORScan to activate the cruise control function and make the buttons work. The same method also applies to the Ford Mondeo, Kuga, and Fusion. So now we need to connect a diagnostic interface to the OBD port. For the programming and configuration, I'll be using FORScan. No, we can connect the computer to the vehicle using the OBD interface. Before making any changes, it's a good idea to check for any existing fault codes. If there are any codes that are no longer relevant, you can clear them before continuing. Next, go to the programming section and select PCM module configuration from the list. In the filter, type Cruise Control. The Cruise Control option should now appear in the list. Double-click it to open the configuration window. In the new window, select Option 2, Cruise Control, then click Write and confirm the change. Wait until FORScan confirms that the procedure has been completed successfully. Once the programming is finished, switch the ignition off, then switch it back on and confirm the message in FORScan. Now stop the current procedure and return to the main menu. Next, select BDYCM module configuration. On some models, this may be listed as BCMI module configuration. Again, use the filter and search for cruise control. You should see two entries, but we are only interested in the cruise control option. Double-click it to open the configuration window, select Option 2, and click Write. Confirm the change and wait for FORScan to complete the programming successfully. Once again, switch the ignition off, switch it back on, and confirm the message in FORScan. Now stop the procedure and return to the main menu. The next module we need to configure is SCCM module configuration. Open it and look for steering wheel switch configuration left. From the available options, select Ford Europe Cruise with ASLD, which is option 21. Click Write, confirm the change, and wait for the programming procedure to complete successfully. Once the programming is finished, switch the ignition off and then back on. Confirm the message in FORScan. And that completes the programming procedure. Cruise control is now enabled, so the only thing left to do is test it and make sure everything is working correctly.